Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Here's a pretty good blur effect that's really easy. So let's make a duplicate of this and move it over. And then I'm going to take the black, well, I'm just going to delete that one. And I'm going to take the inside text. Let me move this over further. And I like to contour with no lines. So I'm going to make a duplicate and move that over twice. And I'm going to take this one, I'm going to left click, no fill, right click outline. Then I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour 1/2 of an inch to the outside. Maybe a little bit less would be okay, but that's fine. I'm going to go to object and break the contour part. And then I'm going to take the contour, I'm going to nudge it down. I'm going to fill the contour in with yellow, and I'm going to take away the outline. I can actually delete that now. So I'm not moving stuff, I'm nudging stuff. Then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. That one I put the red at the bottom. This one I'm going to put the red up top. Doesn't really matter which way it is. Maybe not quite so much red. Now I'm going to go ahead and nudge it up, and I'm going to go to object, effects, blur, and Gaussian blur, and I'm going to leave it about where it is. And I'm just going to leave it. Don't have to do anything. I'm going to take my text now and put it back on top. If yours doesn't show up on top, you can, put it on top of layer. Now let's go ahead and make this a black box. Go up to object, order, backup page, and you get that effect. And it's really kind of cool because the black text is so well pronounced and the blur is kind of blurry. So anyway, that might give you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.